Everybody needs one night to go out in style. Try on a little spotlight for a little while. I'm talking fancy where the food ain't fast. 2 forks, 2 knives, Bud Light and a glass. Rent us a car, show up late, valet that's right. Credit on my cards, money in the bank, at least for tonight. Keeping my shades on